We will service a Fiat Multipla that is used as a taxi and has about 606,000 kilometers on the clock. The engine was already serviced at around 350,000 kilometers. At the moment, an excessive amount of smoke comes out of the exhaust. There is poor fluidity in the power distribution and poor fuel economy. To fix the problems of the car, the driver was advised to contact a mechanic to service the system. We will try to fix the problems reported to us using the procedures described below. We will examine the exhaust gases. We notice a high level of polluting emissions at the limit of allowable emissions, with a capacity of 3.26. We will now perform a bench test to see if there are any improvements after service. We measured 124.9 horsepower at the wheel and 218 Newton meters of torque. We will now perform maintenance. We will add the B333018 product to clean the inside of the engine, including the bands, hydraulic tappets and all the oil passages, as well as the tube that carries the oil to the turbine. It is very important not to damage the turbocharger. We will clean the lubrication circuit, which should take exactly 15 minutes. And at the same time, we will also clean the intake manifold with the B33149 product by carefully introducing small quantities intermittently. We will now drain the used oil. We will replace the oil filter with a new one. We will also replace the lubricant of the manual gearbox. With the B33193 nanotechnology-based product and SP1051 crude oil to eliminate jamming of the gears and to make the shifting process smoother. Together with the new Crunel 5W40 special synth for cars equipped with FAP filter, we will also add the B33181 anti-friction product to improve fluidity and friction of wetted parts, including the hydraulic tappets. We will measure the correct level of lubricant using the dipstick. We will replace the air filter. We will now proceed with replacing the fuel filter. We will connect the machine for cleaning the pump and injectors. We will add a liter of the B33090 product and let the engine run for about 20 minutes at idle speed, completely cleaning the fuel circuit. We will perform a diagnosis to delete all the faults in the memory caused by malfunction of the propulsion system. We measured the exhaust gases after the servicing and note the remarkable result. The opacity has gone up to 0.4, brilliantly passing the tests and allowing the periodic surveys to be performed on the car. We will now perform a bench test to see if there are any improvements. Surprisingly, we obtained 130 horsepower at the wheel, 5 horsepower higher than the first test, and we measured a torque of 227 Newton meters, compared to 280 Newton meters of the first service. We will now hear the opinion of the driver, who drives the car every day to see what he thinks. The driver informs us that the driving is very smooth, there is much less noise, and the shifting process is much smoother as well.
E abbiamo notato che riprende pure con la marcia alta bene.
Molto più fluido e molto meno rumoroso di quello che era.
Adesso controlleremo anche i consumi nel tempo, certo, vedremo.
Thank you, and we hope to see you at the next test with Prime Technology.